down with the blue bloods. In other words, with all protocol, with all ceremony, with all that is now given off in the form of Christianity, or religion for that matter, done with it by ignoring it, and go all out and tell exactly what you are going to experience. And so I began to experience God's plan of redemption. And so I was bold enough to go out and tell it just as it happened to me. Because I have what we call in Barbados a hind claw. When you find people chasing through the night to catch crabs, and the crab can run as fast as the individual behind him, and he can run in every direction just as fast, forward, backward, sideways, anything, and they're going to make a wonderful dish out of crab meat. Well, the crab can go to a precipice. It could be 70 feet tall, and right below is the ocean. And that crab can go just as fast as a man can run and disappear, but he hasn't fallen. He has a hind claw. And he simply holds on and simply buries himself and hides himself. If the man goes 1 second beyond his speed into the water, 70 feet below he goes. So we speak in Barbados of having a hind claw. That you can run and break your neck, but you aren't going to break it if you have a hind claw. So let them try to get you off the pulpit, get you off the stage, all these things. And if you really are sent, it will be prepared for you. You will have the hind claw. You will have that outside source of income. So you can speak boldly and tell exactly what has happened to you. Now, Christianity is the fulfillment of Judaism. They are not two religions. It's one. It's the tree and its fruit. And Christianity is based upon the affirmation that a series of events happened in which God revealed himself in action for the salvation of man. And when did it happen? And where? Do you know it all happened in the Jewish synagogue? The entire Old Testament is written by Jews. 90% of the New Testament is written by the Jews. The New Testament is telling you what happened in the synagogue. Why, in the synagogue, men began to experience the fulfillment of their own wonderful prophecy.